I am about to save you so much time and make your emails so much more effective and make you so much taller. So, maybe the first two. Hey, 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 hey. Hi, I'm Sam, and today I'm talking mail merge. Now, mail merge is kind of an antiquated term, like filming a video or rolling down a car window, but as a technique, it's still super relevant today. Mail merge is a way to personalize emails at scale. So rather than taking an email and copying it and pasting it over and over and changing one little detail for everyone, like their name or their company's name, instead, you insert one mail merge field, and then your software puts in the person's data there and sends them their own personalized individual message, which makes it so much better than BCC. The problem is, mail merge sounds complicated, or at least like something you don't really know how to do and is going to be annoying to figure out. But the good news is, it's not complicated, it's actually really easy. In this video, I'm going to teach you two super simple ways to start using mail merge in your campaigns, plus introduce you to one powerful tool that'll take your mail merges to the next level. And stick around for a bonus trick, so you never have those high space, moments in your emails ever again. There are two major ways to run a mail merge in Gmail. The free but really underpowered way, that's using Gmail's built-in mail merge. The other option, number two, is the paid but extra powerful way. There are third-party apps out there like YAMM or GMass or Mailmeteor, and they bring in extra features around personalization and scheduling, automation, analytics, and more. I'm going to cover both so you can figure out which one is right for you. One, the free but underpowered way. Believe it or not, Gmail has a native mail merge feature. You've probably never heard of it. They introduced it in 2023 with pretty much zero fanfare. They never promote it, but it's there. It's available in Gmail. Well, most Gmail, some Gmail. Paid Workspace accounts on certain plans. These. So if you don't have one of those, you're not going to have their built-in mail merge. So it's not free, but if you're already paying for one of those Google Workspace accounts, it's included for free. Gmail's mail merge works by pulling info from your Google contacts or from a Google Sheet and then inserting it into your email. Here's how it works. In the Gmail Compose window, click this little icon. If it doesn't appear, your account doesn't have Gmail's mail merge feature. Then choose mail merge. If you want to send to your Google contacts, you can start adding them to the To field. Each person will get their own email. If you want to send to contacts in a Google Sheet, choose Add from a spreadsheet, then select your sheet. The top row in your Google Sheet are your column headers and merge tags. So use tags like @firstname in your message where needed. If you're doing a merge with your Google contacts and not a Google Sheet, the only merge options for you are first and last names. When you're ready to send, hit the continue button, follow the prompts, and your mail merge campaign will go out. So that's pretty simple, which is a good thing, and also a bad thing. The good news is, this is already included in your paid Google Workspace account, so you don't need any extra software or anything else to use it. It's pretty easy to use, and you can personalize to your heart's content. The bad news, it doesn't have A/B testing, automation, conditional content, deliverability tools, follow-ups, merge testing, advanced personalization, preview text, polls, recurring campaigns, sequences, advanced scheduling, speed throttling, templates, tracking and analytics, a way to send large campaigns, and about 500 other things that you'll find in other mail merge platforms. See, Gmail's native mail merge is great in a pinch. It would be great for sending out like personalized birthday invitations. But if you need to do anything else more sophisticated or professional, it's probably going to fall short. And that's where option 2 comes in. 2, the better way, using a third-party email tool. There are a handful of apps out there that you can use to send mail merge campaigns through your Gmail account. And fortunately, most of them aren't that much more complicated to use than Gmail's native tool. Here are some of the most popular options. 1, YAMM, yet another mail merge. So YAMM is like a half step up from Google's built-in mail merge tool. It's really cheap and it adds a few basic features you're not getting with the Gmail tool. Things like open and click tracking, really basic email polls, and templates. But it's missing a lot of the advanced stuff, like automation, any advanced features, the ability to break Gmail's limits, and you have to send from inside of a Google Sheet, not from inside Gmail, which can feel kind of disconnected. However, again, it is cheap. Not free like the Gmail one, but cheap. So if you just need a tiny little incremental improvement from what Google's offering you, YAMM could be a good pick. 2. Mailmeteor. Mailmeteor is a bigger step up, both in terms of features and price. It doesn't really work inside Gmail well, you have to use their own interface, but it can also work with things like Outlook and Microsoft Excel. So if this whole video has felt too Google-y for you, they can be a good option to send your mail merges elsewhere. 3. GMass. All right, so let's talk GMass. GMass is way more powerful than Gmail's built-in mail merge tool. But unlike some of these other options, GMass is a Chrome extension, so it works right inside of Gmail. In fact, you may find it works just as easily as Gmail's built-in tool. However, unlike Gmail's built-in tool, it has all of this. But despite having so many more features, it's actually not any more complicated. So let me walk through how it works. Same deal as before. Prepare a Google Sheet by filling in your contacts' email addresses and any other information. Make sure you have the GMass Chrome extension installed. In the Gmail Compose window, click the GMass icon and then select the sheet you prepared to connect to it. GMass will auto-detect your column headers, so you can personalize your email using first name, company, or whatever else you need. Just type a left curly brace and you'll see all of your merge options. When you're ready to send, click the red GMass button. But now, let's talk about all the other great mail merge things you can do with GMass. You can personalize entire paragraphs or intros, images, links, who to CC and BCC on each email. You can even personalize attachments like invoice to every recipient on your list. And you can use all the same mail merge personalization in your auto follow-ups. That's right, GMass can automate follow-up sequences. Plus, yes, A/B testing, analytics, advanced scheduling. You can break Gmail's limits to send as many messages as you need in a day. And it's all done from one little settings box. Quick bonus technique too. With GMass, you can use fallback values. If you don't know a piece of data about one of your recipients, that's okay. You don't have to have that awkward hi blank or hi space comma. Instead, it could say hi there with a fallback value. And when you're ready to get really advanced with this, GMass actually can use if-then logic, so you can get super personalized at scale. We've got tons more videos diving into all those pro features, so be sure to check them out on our channel. And if this video helped you out, please consider giving us a like and subscribing. We've got so many more email tips, tools, and secrets coming your way. For now, get to merging.